And now we have a hotline in Cantonese with multiple language subtitles from Wing Yang in Hong Kong.
親愛同摯愛嘅師父，睇到有同修透過簡單嘅技術，令更多人能夠隨時隨地接收到祝福同正能量，真係令人欣慰。寫呢封心聲係想同你分享，而家只要喺無上師電視台下載師父嘅最有力量嘅每日祈禱文視頻，儲存喺記憶卡裏面，通過電子相簿24小時播放，實在係既方便又安全同有效嘅器材。特別可以係喺一啲網絡唔穩定嘅地方播放。呢個做法令到啲同修能夠保持持續嘅靈修同祝福，無論係喺屋企或者喺其他環境中，都能夠吸取師父嘅加持同愛，亦為唔熟悉科技嘅同修提供咗一個簡單嘅方式嚟連結心靈。確實呢種方法唔單止方便，亦令更多人能夠隨時隨地感受到師父嘅慈悲庇佑同加持，令環境中充滿正能量，毫無疑問會對周圍嘅人產生積極嘅影響，提升大家嘅心靈感受，令更多嘅人受益於呢份光明同平和。隨住大家共同努力，令純素嘅理念同及善嘅能量能夠喺更廣泛嘅範圍內傳播，實現更美好嘅世界，正係我哋每一位同修同師父嘅心願。因為呢部電子相簿只需要大約25蚊美金一部，冇內置電池，所以機身唔會發熱，可以24小時不停播放最有力量嘅每日祈禱文視頻，十分之安全。同修們都買咗幾部返屋企播放，佢哋話啟動幾部一齊播放最有力量嘅每日祈禱文之後，屋企即時光芒萬丈，滿滿師父嘅加持，環境亦得到淨化。希望更多嘅人同同修喺呢個過程中都能夠感受到無上嘅愛同加持，亦期待未來能夠有更多咁樣嘅分享，令師父嘅教導能夠深入人心，令世界變得更加美好。再次感謝師父，祝願你同所有同修都能夠感受到滿滿嘅祝福同喜悅。願師父永遠平安健康。尊敬同深愛你嘅弟子榮恩，嚟自香港。
Supportive Wing Yang, your caring message, especially for those without internet, is much appreciated. Master has written this lovely reply for you. Inventive Wing Yang, thank you for your kindness in sharing your knowledge for the most powerful daily prayer. It is so pleasing to see so many God's disciples, like yourself, who are technically minded, remembering those who are not. Loving thanks to you for this simple method of bringing the divine blessings of the most powerful daily prayer to even more homes and places. May you and shining Hong Kong be liberated in the light of the Most High. Wishing you more and more spiritual progress in Kuan Yin practice, leading you all the way home. Love you forever.
We can stop global warming, and it is not that, we have to find newer energy and nuclear plants. No, you can just start it with what you put on your table and what you put on your plate. Shira Lane, vegan.
We welcome your hotlines, stories, and all cute loving animal people clips. Please send them via suprememastertv.com/hotline.